Welcome to Financial Planning for Beginners, Personal Financial Planning. Taking control of your finances is essential for a secure future. In this video, we'll walk you through the fundamental concepts of financial planning and equip you with the tools to build a solid foundation for your financial well-being. Let's get started. 1. Setting financial goals. The first step in personal financial planning is setting clear and achievable goals. Identify what you want to accomplish financially, whether it's buying a house, saving for retirement, or starting a business. Establishing specific and measurable goals helps you stay focused and motivated throughout your financial journey. 2. Creating a budget. A budget is a powerful tool that allows you to track your income and expenses. By creating a budget, you gain visibility into your financial situation and can make informed decisions about spending and saving. We'll guide you through the process of creating a budget that suits your lifestyle and helps you reach your financial goals. 3. Emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected events, and having an emergency fund is crucial to handle financial emergencies. Learn how to build an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. We'll share tips on saving strategies and how to make your emergency fund easily accessible when you need it the most. 4. Investing wisely. Voiceover. Investing allows your money to grow over time and helps you build wealth. We'll introduce you to the basics of investing and explain different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Discover strategies to minimize risk and maximize returns, ensuring your investment decisions align with your financial goals. 5. Planning for the future. Planning for the future involves thinking about long-term financial objectives, such as retirement planning and estate planning. We'll discuss the importance of starting early and the various retirement savings options available. Additionally, we'll provide insights into estate planning and how to protect your assets for future generations. Congratulations! You've completed the journey of financial planning for beginners. By implementing the strategies discussed in this video, you're well on your way to achieving financial security and independence. Remember, financial planning is an ongoing process, so continue to educate yourself and adapt your strategies as your circumstances change. Stay committed, and your financial future will be brighter than ever. Financial Planning for Beginners, Personal Financial Planning.